Another day working out outside, you know, the real winter arc. But since I'm kind of in a rush, got other stuff to do, gonna make this workout very quick, very simple. You know, all we gotta do is just show up every day. Doesn't have to be 100%, but just put in some effort. And today, we're going back to Tompkins Square Park. Very convenient, very cool. They got what we need to work out and get things done. But yeah, this weather, man, it was just snowing a couple of days ago. Now it's a light drizzle, but the rain stopped, which I love, since I was wearing my Adidas, you know, running shoes, got soaked, socks got soaked, and it felt very uncomfortable. So had to change, get my boots, and now we here. So shout out to Nike making these boots for me. Can I show you guys? Let me show you. That Wild West. Yeah, these are Nike boots I got a while back. When did I get these? I think I got these 2017, 2018 at the Kiff store. This is when I was just into just buying sneakers a lot, and I just saw them. I thought they were cool, and I'm like, you cop a pair. But simple push-ups, squats, pull-ups, and dips. Something simple, so that way I could get on with the rest of my day. I'm surprised a lot of people are still outside now. The weather doesn't call for it, you know? A lot of people would rather be cuddled up in the rain and the cold, you know, at their houses. So, we'll see. Okay, topic on hand. What's one of the best things to do on a rainy day? Watch a movie, read a book, be caught up with somebody, or be outside. I'm pretty sure 90% of people watching this probably wants to be laid up inside with somebody. But for me, outside. You know, one of the most annoying things when it comes to recording in this area, nothing but sirens left and right. So you probably had a good piece of content, you said everything right, the energy was there, but boom, a fucking police siren, emergency siren, and what other sirens want to pass their way. And it's like, I get it, living in the city, the probability of there being an issue is 10 times more likely than living in the suburbs. But it's just like, god damn, we gotta stop getting hurt, getting sick, or they just gotta be like, let's tone it down on the crime, health issues, whatever the case. I thought I didn't bring my gloves, but I did, because ain't no way I'm gonna touch these and get my hands all wet. Let's bring you closer. It's that hell of a time. Damn, July. L. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Give me 6 pull-ups this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least the rain got rid of all of that snow, because it looks good. I like how they painted the court. It gives it more of a nice uplifting feeling, because before it looked nasty back then, but now it looks like a park you would want to go to. Not less to any music, but just thought I had to bust out a move real quick. My bad. Too busy taking pictures out here. Well, let's finish this off with some squats, 30 squats. Let's get into it nonstop. 20 more. 10 more. Whew, we did it. We showed up, we showed out. Now, if you're trying to find somebody to spot you, whether if that's on person, sorry, too tired to think, whether if that's in person or online, I'm here for you. I want to be your spotter because I care and I believe in your journey. So with me, I believe that when it comes to fitness, it's not just about lifting weights. It's about lifting each other. So we're gonna grow together, we're gonna train together, and we're gonna become spotters for life. So comment down below if you want somebody to support you, motivate you, or keep you accountable, whatever. I'm here to be that guy for you, to be your spotter. Deuces.